G'day! In today's video I've got a very simple thing for you. You've got a brand new Lenovo laptop and every time you open that lid it turns on. You don't want that, I don't want that. How do we change that? With the laptop turned off, we hold F2 and press the power button. That will wake up the computer and go what's called the BIOS or the uefi. I'll fold down that screen in just a second. Should end up in something similar to this. From here we can use the arrow keys to navigate. Now I'm going to go into configuration. You can use the keyboard or the trackpad on some. I'm just going to use the keyboard, the arrow keys for you guys to see, and it's usually quicker for me to do that anyway. I'm going to press to the right, and now I'm going to go down to, where are we? Flip to start. To start, Flip to start enables you to turn on the computer when you open the computer lid, just the same as pushing the power button. I don't always want to turn it on every time I open the lid, so I've gone over to here and selected disable. After I've selected disable, I want to press F10, which is save and exit, so I'm going to press F10, save confirmation changes and exit now. I'm going to hit enter on the keyboard, and that's done. With that simple setting changed, every time you open and close your laptop, it will not be automatically turning on. Sometimes I open my laptop and put it aside, other times I don't mind if it turns on, but not every time I open it, I want it to turn on. That's how to change it, and if you want to change it back, just follow those same steps and change it to enable. Bye.